Hi, my name is Norsha Mimi binti Norsha. My metric number is DF210011. So today I would like to talk about the background of this project. So our chosen title or our chosen case study is about the bisection method, which is it is a numerical approach for locating a continuous functions of roots, and it can also be used to resolve different kinds of equations, such as to determining the depth of the water in a spherical tank. So this formula is using for the volume of spherical segment, which is often used to determine the depth of water in a spherical tank. So this equation also connect the depth of the water to the volume of water in the tank by setting the volume of water to known value. So due to its versatility or dependability, it is widely used in engineering and scientific application involving spherical tank and other nonlinear issue. So this equation widely used in engineering field. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Nur Huslina binti Nisa. My matrix number DF210070, and I will present about the problem statement for this project. The problem of this project is to design a spherical tank for a small village to store water and make sure that the village people have an adequate and consistent supply of water. By using the numerical method, the equation based on the fluid mechanics, structural analysis, and material properties will be created. The numerical method used in this project to construct the spherical tank is the bisection method. The purpose of this project is to determine the depth of the tank's water, assuming that there is 500 meter cube of water in order for it to be adequate and at a fair level.
Hi, my name is Nur Alisha Fariha binti Kamar Zaman. My metric number is DF210037. I will explain the objective of our project, which is to solve problems related to civil engineering with the application of numerical mathematics. Second, to identify the appropriate method for project problems. And the last objective is to determine the depth of water at any level in a certain region. Next, I will continue the methodology that show the steps in bisection method calculation. First, we choose A and B as interval. Then there are three types of rules that need to be taken into account to identify the root between interval. First, if FA, FB less than 0, then the root lie between A and C. Second, if FA, FB more than 0, then the root lie between A and B. And lastly, if FA, FB is equal to 0, then the root is C, and the formula using C is A plus B divided by 2. After knowing the value of C, the function of C will be calculated by using equation. Then stop the calculation until numbers of iteration allow or until it reaches the number of stopping criteria. That's all for me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Nurul Shamina Afrika binti Sharizan. My number matrix is DF210072. For now, I will explain about the methodology part of our report by using the FILA table. FILA table consists of facts, ideas, learning issue, and action plan, which is used to extract information and solve the problem related to civil engineering area. Based on the question that's stated in the problem statement, the information that can be obtained is the equation for volume, V equal to 500 meter cubic and R equal to 5 meter. This will be used to determine the FC value by substitute the value of V and R into the equation given. Other information stated in the question is the depth between 11 and 12 meter. This data will be used during bisection method calculation as the interval value, and the value can be checked whether it can be used or not using the formula absolute value of FB minus FA equal to 1. Lastly, the question also mentioned that iteration should be until reach epsilon value less than 0.005. So this data will be set as the stopping criteria, which will be checked later at the FC value in the calculation part. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Asnawi, DF210066, and I will explain about the calculation. So, we need to simplify the equation, which is substitute V equal to 500 and R equal to 5. And then we got the simplified equation, which is pi h power of 3 minus 15 pi h power of 2 plus 1500 equal to 0. And then we need to use the bisection method. AI start with 11 and BI start with 12. And then we calculate using calculator and stop the iteration at 12. We got the C12, which is 11.1801. So for discussion, This bisection method can be used to determine the depth of water at any level in a certain range. Also, it will make it easier to anyone to estimate the water level in a spherical tank, just like the question given. That's all from me. Thank you.
Next, I will present about the conclusion of this project. After solving the problem using fluid mechanics and material properties application in the numerical method, the depth of water in the tank if the volume of water is 500 meter cube was calculated. This problem is solved using the bisection method, which is one of the numerical methods for determining the roots of a continuous function. According to the calculation, the depth of water between 11 meter and 12 meter is about sea level, which is 11.180, indicating the depth of water at a level in a range. Thus, the purpose of this project is to create a cost-effective, efficient and safe system that guarantees the community's access to a sustainable water supply. As the outcome of this project, it will be feasible to apply engineering knowledge to create a spherical tank that will benefit a small village in a developing country. Additionally, it is beneficial for engineers to learn how to design structure using the numerical method. That's all. Thank you.